Ireland has recently announced that they're building a thrilling landmark in 2019 just outside of Killarney.
I'm here at the site of Finnegan's Flyer, an extreme Screamin Swing set to open in May 2019. Sources have confirmed that this new landmark will elevate Ireland to a new level, literally sending riders to heights over 80 feet above the cliffs of the Celtic coast. Reaching speeds of 45 miles per hour, this thrilling attraction will give guests a never-before-seen view of the world's most beautiful theme park.
We are on the Killarney Bridge, which connects the Scottish Village and the Ireland Village at Busch Gardens. Right behind me, you can see the foundation of the ride. Basically, we have the decking for the swing ride. This is where the whole structure is going to be erected on top of. Below that, you see the air tanks, which is where the compressed air that charges the ride and keeps the swings moving. The other parts of the ride are in Utah right now. They do pre-assembly, then they'll put them on trucks and ship them here. This site was anything but flat. The other big challenge was we have a stream that goes underneath here. It wasn't the easiest site to build on, but we feel like it's a great addition to Busch Gardens.